Assalamu alaikum students, I hope you all are doing good. My name is Kashmala Ashraf and today we are going to talk about interview skills, some types and strategies for a successful interview. In the professional world, securing a job or professional opportunity often depends on not only your qualifications but also on the ability to perform well in an interview. An interview is formal conversation between an employer and candidate, in which the employer evaluates the candidate's suitability for particular position. In the context of technical and business writing, interview skills are important because they involve clear communication, confidence, organization of ideas, and the ability to present oneself professionally. Effective interview skills help candidates express their knowledge, abilities, professional attitude in a convincing way. So, now let's talk about the meaning and purpose of interview. An interview is structured interaction in which an interviewer asks questions and the candidate provides responses related to their qualifications, experiences and abilities. The main purpose of an interview is to assess whether the candidate is suitable for job role and fits organizational culture. Interviews help employers evaluate the candidate's knowledge and professional skills. It helps them to assess the communication, ability and confidence. It helps them to understand the candidate's attitude and personality, also to determine whether the candidate fits the organizational environment or not. For candidate, the interview is also an opportunity to learn about the organization, ask questions about the job role and demonstrate their interest and motivation. Now, let's move towards the importance of interview skills. Interview skills are very essential. It is essential for the success in professional life. Many candidates possess strong academic qualification but fail to secure jobs because they lack confidence or communication skills during interviews. Strong interview skills help individuals present themselves clearly and professionally. Some key reasons why interview skills are important may include: creates a positive impression. A confident and well-prepared candidate leaves a strong impression on the employer. It helps to demonstrate the communication ability. Interviews reveal how effectively a candidate can explain ideas and respond to the questions. It helps you to show your professionalism. Your proper behavior, dress and attitude demonstrate respect and professionalism. It helps you to build the employer confident. When candidates respond clearly and logically, employers feel more confident in selecting them. In technical and business environment, communication and interpersonal skills are as important as technical knowledge. Therefore, interview performance plays a major role in hiring decisions. So, as I have confirmed that interview skills are very important, now let's move towards the types of interviews. Organizations use different types of interviews depending on the job role and hiring processes. Understanding these types help candidates prepare more effectively and efficiently, of course. The first type is structured interview. A structured interview follows a fixed set of questions that are asked to every candidate. The interviewer prepares the questions in advance and evaluates candidates based on standardized criteria. Some of the characteristics of this type of interview include: same questions for all candidates, objective evaluation process, focus on job related competencies. This type of interview is commonly used in large organizations because it ensures fairness and consistency. Now the second one is unstructured interview. An unstructured interview is more informal and flexible. Instead of following a fixed set of questions, the interviewer asks questions based on the conversation and candidates' responses. Its features include open-ended discussions, flexible questioning, opportunity for deeper conversation. Although this method allows more personal interaction, it may sometimes lead to subjective evaluation. So, now the third part of interview. Third type of interview is panel interview. In a panel interview, several interviewers evaluate a single candidate at the same time. The panel may include managers, human resource representatives, and subject specialists. Advantages of panel interview include multiple perspective in evaluation, faster decision making, balanced judgment. Candidates should maintain eye contact with all panel members and respond confidently to each question. Now let's move towards the fourth type of interview, which is group interview. A group interview involves several candidates being interviewed together. Employers use this method to observe how candidates interact with others, especially for the positions that require teamwork. During group interviews, candidates may be asked to participate in discussions, solve problems collaboratively, present ideas in front of others. This type of interviews help employers evaluate your leadership ability, teamwork and communication skills, as all of these important for teamwork. Now the fifth type of interview is behavioral interview. A behavioral interview focuses on past experiences and behaviors. Interviewers ask candidates to describe situations in which they demonstrated specific skills or solved problems. For example, candidates may be asked questions such as, describe a time when you solved a difficult problem. Tell us about a situation where you worked successfully in a team. Employers believe that past behavior is a good indicator of your future performances. So, about the sixth type is technical interview. A technical interview is common in engineering, IT and other technical fields. In this type of interview, candidates are asked questions related to their technical knowledge and problem solving abilities. This may include technical questions about the subject, problem solving task, your practical demonstration of skills. Candidates must practice and prepare thoroughly for technical interviews by reviewing their subject knowledge and practical experiences as well. Now let's move towards the strategies for a successful interviews. Success in an interview depends mostly and on proper preparation, communication skills and professional behavior. There are several strategies that can help candidates perform effectively during interview. Some of them are as follows. The first one is preparation before the interview. The preparation is the key to the success. Candidates should research the organization and understand the job requirement. Importance of preparation steps include studying the company's background and mission, reviewing the job description and responsibilities, practicing answer to common interview questions. You know, the questions that are asked again and again. Preparing questions to ask the interviewer. Preparation of increases confidence and helps the candidates respond clearly during the interview. Now let's move towards the professional appearances. Appearance plays a very key role in creating positive impression. Candidates should dress professionally and maintain a good personal grooming. Guidelines for professional grooming it may include wearing a formal and neat clothing, maintaining proper posture and body language, arriving on time or slightly early. A professional appearance demonstrates seriousness and respect for the opportunity. So it is quite very important. Now the third important strategy is effective communication. Clear communication is essential in interviews. Candidates should speak confidently and organize their thoughts before answering the questions. Some of the key communication tips include listen carefully to the question, giving clear and concise answers, avoiding unnecessary details so that you can make no ambiguities, speaking in a polite and respectful tone. Good communication skills help candidates express their knowledge and abilities effectively. Now the fourth strategy include demonstrating your confidence. Confidence is one of the most important qualities employers look for. Candidates should maintain eye contact, smile politely and respond calmly to the questions that the panel or the employer asks. Confidence can be demonstrated through positive body language, clear voice and tone, honest and thoughtful responses, and it, however, confidence should be confused with arrogance. Humility and humbleness, respect are equally important. Now, let's move towards highlighting the skills and achievement during your interview. During the interview, candidates should be able to emphasize their relevant skills and accomplishments that are important for the field. This helps the interviewer understand the candidate's potential value to the organization. Candidates may highlight technical expertise, academic achievements, leadership experience, problem-solving abilities, providing examples from previous experiences and strengthen responses. The another part of improving your interview is asking thoughtful questions. At the end of the many interviews, candidates are invited to ask questions. Asking thoughtful questions demonstrate interest in job and organization. For examples, some of the important and appropriate questions in the interview might include questions about your job responsibilities, questions about your professional development, organizational culture or team structure. This allows candidates to determine whether the job aligns with their career goals or not. Now, the seventh strategy, maintaining a professional etiquette. You should maintain your professional attire. Professional etiquette should be maintained throughout the interview process. Important etiquettes include practice greeting the interviewer politely and humbly, thanking the interviewer at the end of the interview, sending a brief follow-up message if appropriate. These small actions can leave a positive and lasting impression. Now, about conclusion. Interview skills are a vital component of professional success. While qualification and technical knowledge are important, the ability to communicate effectively and present yourself in a confident way is also very important. So, I have discussed the types of interviews that are important for you to study and know, and I have also studied or give you the strategies that are important for you to prepare for it. That was all for today. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.